Hello everyone. Let's see in this video how we can install JDK 25 on Mac M1, M2, M3, M4 via Homebrew. So let's get started. If you don't have Homebrew installed in your Mac, then first you need to install Homebrew. So let's see how we can install Homebrew. First, you can type install Homebrew on Mac, then you can go on to this page and then you can copy this script and then you can paste this script on your terminal. And once you paste it and then you hit enter, and then this will install Homebrew on your Mac terminal. Now I have opened the terminal, and in the terminal if I type java-version, then you can see that I have Java 21 installed on my system. So now we will install JDK 25. So first in the Google you can type homebrew uh, install JDK 25, and then just open this open JDK page, copy this install command, then move over to the terminal and then just paste this command, press enter, and then this will install your JDK 25 on your Mac terminal. This will take some time depending upon the some softwares that you have on your Mac, because this will also update all the dependencies. As you can see, I have many softwares and I have not updated it from quite some time. So for me, it is taking time, but for you, it should be fast enough. At the end, you should see this line starting with echo, and then you should copy this line and then paste it and then press enter. So this is the first step to set the path. Then if you see there's a line starting with export, you should copy that line and then paste it in the terminal and then press enter. This will correctly set up your path for JDK home. Then you can close this terminal, open a new terminal in the open, and then type java-version, and then you should see the JDK 25 is correctly installed on your system. If you have any troubles or any problem installing JDK, then you can write it on the comment section and I will try to reply it. And if you like this video, then please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.